welcome to my channel TECHNO guys. Today I am gonna show you how to merge video in Imovies. Before I start the video, please click on subscribe button. First open your iMovie, then click on this plus button, click on create movie, choose your videos that you have to merge, create movie. If you want to make this video in full screen, then click on this clip and click on magnifying glass and pinch to zoom in or zoom out. See guys, the video has been full screen. After doing this all, click on done. After doing click on done, click on this sharing button, click on save video. It is asking you guys in which type of pixels you want to export your movies in photos. Medium 360 pixels, large 540 pixels, HD 720 pixels. I will choose 720 pixels. Okay guys, exporting movie. Yep, exporting movies guys. The movie was exported to your photo library. After doing this all, go to your photos. You can see your merge video. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to give more videos to you guys. If you want my new videos notification, then hit the bell icon. If you have any problem guys, then write in comment section. So bye guys. Thank you guys for watching my video.